and hide. Let me just clear this up real quick before nobody spread no rumor upon me and say something is what is not. So let me just get this off of my chest and say this real quick because me sitting at the blogs where them I talk about say me I pick up for Safaree. Me not pick up for Safaree. Me I call a spade and me I talk the truth and speak it for what it is. Because me sit down for have a conversation with you, but you couldn't have the conversation with me because you never want to listen to the truth and the things that I have to tell you in your face because me not fake like your friend them. Well, listen to you I cry every day and I talk about, oh, Safaree doing this to me, Safaree doing that to me, bitch. The one that we are single mother too. And you alone, guess what? There's 7 billion people in the world and you're not the first one who are divorced. Like me tell you in your face. You're not the first woman who are going to get divorced and you're not going to be the last. So what the problem? Let me make sure I find a car now. Sorry. I love you too, baby. Sure, real quick because I'm on live, okay? Okay. I love you too. Let me make sure I clear this up because me here when I talk about 1 second. I love you, okay? Love you. Sorry, let me find a car at the airport and hide. And talk about this real quick. Yeah. Oh my God. Real quick, let me all right, I love you. Yeah, me have to take time to talk because as the people them hear me more, them find me in the corner. I see some people, let me make sure I take a deep breath because you don't know me stay already. I see the media talk about say, oh, this is a storyline. I not do storyline. I not do fake story. Anything will come out of my mouth, any story what I do, any scene when I go to, it's 100% real. Because I have no time for the fakeness. I mean, I like fake people. Just, so let me just explain something to you. Erica, you're fake as fuck. You sit down in front of my face and I laugh and I talk, but oh, I love you so much. I was praying for you. And when you was dying, bitch, when I was dying and Safaree was crying, you was acting ballistic in the house. Why are you crying for this bitch? Why are you crying for her? You wasn't crying for me. Like, what's the comparison? Whatever you have going on in your house now have nothing to do with me, Erica. Whatever Safaree is doing to you, it don't have nothing to do with me. So when you compare yourself, what's this jealousy over me? What's this jealousy? Oh, Safaree like me. Me and him are just friend. Me not fucking baby. Baby, I promise you 100% and $1 million. Me love looking Minaj gone to bed. Me not fuck Safaree. Me not fucking baby. You have to get it in your head because you play victim. Everywhere you go, you scream down the place. I invited to my gala and I invited you in Miami. You come, hi baby. Me just have to try finish the live before the flight. Lord Jesus. Me know I'm a vice your ear. That's why I never want to go live till me reach the hotel. But me just want to get this off of my chest real quick.
Get one real quick. Hey, thank you. Say hello to my mom.
You're welcome. Love you.
Oh, Mama, love you so much.
Oh,
congrats.
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh, I thank you. Mind you leave your
I'm so excited.
No, I know. Don't worry. Me go talk lower. No, but I tell nobody say me down here. Yeah, what me there now? So, me not even remember which part me there. Erica, you're fake as fuck. You couldn't sit down and have a conversation with me. You know why? Because you know, say, I'm not the 1, 2, nor the 3. Me I go look on you and I can do it and tell you in front of your face. Me not fake like you. All of the shit them what you do behind my back, I heard. Me hear about it. Them come back to me and them tell me. Me know say you're fake. So when me see you, oh Spice, I love you so much, and me just high and cut and go through, it's for a reason. It's because me know say you're fake. Me hear all of the shit where you talk about me. You come on my gala, you scream down the place and talk about Safaree and Ray. Oh my God. And you're Safaree divorced 1 year now. And you still a fuck him, and that's the problem. And because me tell you say you still a fuck Safaree, because you're going to tell me say, oh, me a talk about this faggot. When become fuck up to last month, him still a fuck you. You and him still a fuck. So what the problem? I don't understand. You vex with me because me Amara a friend, and because I go to Miami and I talk to Amara. Amara was my friend before she got there with Safaree. Hi, Jesus Christ. Me not go down the live. I better me hang up.
So sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead, real quick.
I love you. Thank you so much.
I love you too, okay? Which part me there again now? Yeah. Okay, you know me have to stop with the best of them anyway, me see them. Amara was my friend before she and Safaree start date. It not have nothing to do with me, baby. Me not have no control over Safaree dick. So you have me up and you hate me because me and Amara was friend. But remember you and Nikki Baby was friend and you go fuck Safaree when you and Nikki Baby was friend and him was with Nikki Baby. Remember you and Estelita was friend and you know say Estelita and Safaree did a fuck and you still go fuck him same way and then you run down the aisle. So you feel like so when you did married him you go change. Now you ball and I scream down the place and I talk about, oh my God, you know I'm a single mother too, and guess what, baby, I've been doing it for 14 years. So me and you talk and you couldn't talk to me because me ask you, where's your son? You scream down the place for this, for 2 children. You need to have the energy for this tree, a tree you have. So you're vexed because me say your oldest son not like you because you drop him off from him at 5 and I know you not go back and pick him up. Bitch, let me tell you something. Don't play with me. I'm not the 1, 2, nor the 3. Erica, you start at something with the wrong person. My people, them can't tell you. Me tell myself, say me now go back to my old life. I'm my old self. But you are going to make me go back to my old life. I'm my old self. Because I get a new life, I'm going to tell myself, say I will never be like this again. But you make me go back to my old life. Because you see, one thing with me, I don't know if it's done, you know. I don't know if it's done, you start up something where you're going to regret, say you start it up, you know. Because guess what? You see, when we're going at the scene earlier, and you flip over the table, you flip it over because you never want me to talk. Because you try silence me. Because you know, say, out of everybody from Love and Hip Hop franchise, me, one of them, I don't hold my mouth. Me I go talk the truth and me I go speak the facts to your face. Me not have to stay like you and do it behind my back. Because that's what you do. You talk shit about me behind my back and when you see me in my face you want to laugh and act like say me and your friend. Bitch, you're fake as fuck. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. I'm going to tell you the truth. To your face. I'm not care. Because I'm not look nothing from you. I'm not look nothing from Love and Hip Hop. Me's a real fucking artist. Outside of the show, on camera and off camera. Hi, baby. Sure. Hi, baby. I love you.
Thank you.
All right, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mwah. Big up yourself. Sorry, me there with my loud mouth in at the airport and everybody hear me. Yeah. So I don't want people to say I'm picking up for Safaree because it has nothing to do with me picking up for Safaree. I am just speaking facts to the face, something where some people can't do, and that cause the fiction, and that's the problem because some girl fake and them don't want me to tell them the truth to them face. Erica, go look for your gynecologist. Go look for your gynecologist. Infection and name you out. Your pussy's full of syphilis. You have lymphogranuloma vulgaris. Girl, don't play with me. Go get some canistin. Don't play with me, Erica. I'm not stay on this too long either. I just want to talk my mind and tell Erica, say, remember me tell you, every time I see you, you better be prepared for flip over the table because me's not the one to play with. I'm not do fake storyline, I'm not do fakeness. Everything about me is 100% real. 100%. And you're going to do this forget storyline, but remember me tell you, say, the wrong story you pick up, baby. And the wrong story you want. You never want that story, yeah. You should have never pick up that story, yeah. You see Bambi of the season? This season, leave her with it. Don't try flipping the script. You hear me tell you? Better you leave her with it and call it a day. Because you need some canistin. I don't know where you come act like say. But this not have nothing to do with. Me not care about maybe for business about Safaree. Me not care about what you want him have going on or what you go through. And I don't want nobody come say, I pick up for Safaree. No, me have my own issues and my own problem. Me nearly dead. Me still have my issues and my problem I deal with. You walk and play victim here in the scene, you ball, oh, me a single mother. Bitch, I'm 1 too. I am 1 too. 14 years. And guess what? Me pick up myself and do what me have to do. And you have to do the same. And that me not go sit down and tell you, you know, Erica, pick your pussy up off of the ground. Catch a break. Let me breathe. Jesus Christ. Ooh. Erica, pick up your pussy off of the ground and keep it moving. It's not the end of the road, baby. It's not the end of life. We all, people married and them get divorced. People do relationship, then break up. Me break up with my relationship, I'm not dead. I'm breathing. Look at me, I'm alive. It's okay. You can get over it. It's fine. People divorce all the time. What the fuck you play a victim and act like you want me to take it up on my head? Bitch, me not take it up on my head. Safaree fuck Amara or them there with Amara or me don't know him want Amara. Not my problem. What that have to do with me? What that have to do with me? Your vex I come talk about. Don't talk about my son. Don't talk about my son. Yes, we're going to talk about it. Since you say you're a single mother, me I tell you, say, me a single mother for 14 years. And you're going to say, oh, but I'm a single mother for how much years? I don't know how old your son is. So I say, where is he? Because I'm not like you. Where your son? Where your oldest son? Because you act like a 2 kids. You have the same energy where you have for your 2 kids. You need to have the same energy for 3. So we are asking you the question and we'll wait for the answer. Where is your oldest son? Why you not have the same energy for your 3rd child? What? That me ask you, you come talk. Like say you think me afraid to tell it to your face. So what happened to you? Bitch, you think me afraid that you? Me not do blood clot storyline, me not do fake story. So it's on for me. So me still gonna talk to you, come turn over blood clot table because you want to have a 1-up. You want to have storyline. You want to feel like you're big. Bitch. Oi go. Oi go. You can't talk in my face. Come talk in my face. Let me hear what you have to say. Talk in my face, can't know no secret about me. If you want my gynecologist number, you can get it. Since as you come like you're itch, can they still sell over the counter? Fuck wrong with you? You come talk. The whole of women left with. Everybody, people get born all the time. Wake up and taste the blood clot coffee. It's not the end of the day. You walk a ball down the place and come on my fucking gala ball and I screaming at the hallway and I come talk about Safaree. Like every day somebody want to talk about Safaree. Every day Safaree, this. I don't give a fuck about Safaree dick. When you did a fuck your friend, man, you never did a think about him dick. Bitch, fucking play with me. Calm down in the people them airport. So when I stop talking about me, I pick up for Safaree because it's not about picking up for Safaree. It's about speaking facts and call a spade and talking the truth the same way all me see it. I'm done talk my truth already, bitch. You're not the first woman. You're not gonna be the last, bitch. And I can tell it to your face and me ask you and me say, where your oldest son there? Where him there? Where him there? And that me ask you, where him there? Hi.
Sorry. I love you. Oh, I didn't do that.
It's okay, it's okay. That me
I know
say.
you won't laugh.
It's okay. Oh, hi, bestie. Big up your nice, clean self. Spice loves you like that, okay?
Okay, y'all better stop fucking with her. Don't play with her, okay? Thank you, boo.
I love you. Yeah. So nobody feel like I'm afraid of you, bitch. You have to talk to me in my face. You flip over the table and blood clot because you know say security depends set. You feel like security gonna guard you for the rest of your life? What you feel like, say? You gonna flip over table for the rest of your life, bitch, because anyone me say you better get ready for flip table. You come talk, boy. You feel like some do fakeness, me do fake story. A real story me deal with. And this is my real life. So if you feel like say this is for TV, this is not for TV. My body in a real life, I'm gonna kick up your blood clot and want me see you, bitch.